Are you tired of poor quality HVAC products? Is field labor costing you a fortune? Well, introducing MKT Metal Manufacturing. Offering a full line of commercial sheet metal duct and HVAC products, MKT is your one-stop shop. MKT serves the entire East Coast with locations in York, Pennsylvania and Wilson, North Carolina. Utilizing 3 shifts with 130 builders and fabricators, MKT can handle any size project or scope. Stop buying trash that is costing you cash. MKT offers labor-saving services such as joint assembly, quick connections, and accessory installation.
I struggled for years to find a good supplier for ductwork. It's either high labor costs, inconsistencies, or downright poor products.
Since I partnered with MKT, it's been great. Great products, reliable delivery, and excellent customer service.
Don't wait. Get your MKT today. Call today at 717-764-9090. MKT Metal Manufacturing, your premier partner for all of your HVAC duct needs.
A bunch of words that are so small you can barely read them, but are included in the advertisement because they legally have to include them. So we're including them even though we don't legally have to include them because this is not a real commercial, but we are the real best commercial sheet metal duct and HVAC supplier.